Diving deep into how Gen Z is reshaping CX. Hey CX leaders, Darren Prine here with Cloud Tech Gurus, and I have an incredible opportunity that you and your whole CX team won't want to miss. One of my favorite CX authors, Jeofrey, is leading a highly interactive hands-on workshop based on his latest book, Next Generation Customer Experience. If you've read any of his books, you know that his insights are a game changer. This workshop is designed specifically for CX leaders and contact center leaders who want to stay ahead of today's rapidly evolving customer experience landscape. We'll be diving deep into how Gen Z is reshaping CX. Did you know that Gen Z is the largest generation by numbers and spending power? They think differently about brand loyalty, digital engagement, and what great customer service means. AI is another huge factor in the future of CX. At the workshop, we'll discuss how to balance AI, self-service, and human interaction to create seamless, efficient, and highly personalized experiences. Let's talk about something critical: trust and transparency. Customers today are more skeptical than ever. We'll cover strategies that show how trust directly impacts customer loyalty and long-term business growth. Now, this workshop is packed with real-world tools, workbooks, and a signed copy of Jeofrey Bean's new book. Normally, this is a $100 experience, but we're offering it for just $20 per ticket. But for a limited time, you can attend completely for free by using the discount code CTGFREE when you register. Don't wait. Grab your team and register now. This is your chance to future-proof your CX strategy, learn from one of the best in the industry, and network with other top CX professionals in Greater Phoenix. Spots are limited to just 50 attendees, so secure yours now. Here is the page with the link to register. And again, as a reminder, the code to get your 100% discount on registration. Let's take your CX strategy to the next level. See you in Phoenix on March 6th. Have a great day.